Welcome back to another episode. In the last video, or the last video, I did, bad warm-up technique, and I was asking you guys if you wanted to watch a warm-up video, and many of you guys said yes, and here it is. So this is the warm-up video. This is the warm-up routine that I do when I prepare for very tough competition. Of course, from time to time I cut myself some slack when I do my warm-up routine. But if I really want to perform well, and if you want to prevent injuries, you got to do the warm-up routine because it increases your heart rate. It gets the blood pumping, yourself perspiring, so that you're ready for an intensive game. So it's very important if you want to prevent injuries. And yeah, here's my warm-up routine. So a common misconception is that people think that static stretching is actually very good for getting yourself ready for games, but it's actually not, because science have shown that dynamic warm-ups is a lot more effective in getting yourself ready. In fact, static stretches have been shown to reduce your speed and strength. So if you want to be slower and weaker, then yeah, do static warm-up. So if you want to be strong and fast, dynamic warm-up. So here's what I'm going to do. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 exercises. Anyways, I can't remember the name of these exercises because I did these exercises when I was in sports school, all the way till I was in national team when I was preparing for competition. So here's the exercise. The first one we're going to do is like skipping. So usually what I do is I would use 2 cords and I would go back and forth. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is this. Rotate your arms and do a Little Red Riding Hood skips. So when I come back, I usually swing my arm backwards instead. So forward 1 round, backwards 1 round. The second is high knee. Yeah, make sure you drive the knees up. You can do that a little faster if you're able to. And the third is butt kicks. So make sure you stretch your quads nice and good. So 2 cords. So the next one we're going to do is hamstrings. So kick forward, touch your toes. Kick, touch. So just walk. By the way, if you know the name of these stretches or this warm-up routines, do let everyone know, like in the comment section below. Yeah. Funny thing was that I did this routine for over a decade. I still don't know the names of these workouts that I've been doing. Yeah, so nice deep stretch for the hamstring. Okay, so this is the second last exercise. So this is like the Spider-Man stretch. So you launch to the side, make sure you're nice and wide, hands in the middle. Yeah, so you stretch this part nice and deep. There we go. I wonder if people in sports could still do this warm up. So for this, I just do 1 cord, then I'll jog the rest of the way. And now, same thing. So again, so note that this is not a forward lunge, it's a sideways lunge. So it's Spider-Man lunge. There we go. Okay. And then the last one will be shuttle run. So basically touch every single line. The first one you use your right hand, right foot. Next one will be your left hand, left foot when you return. So right hand, right foot. Left hand, left foot. Sorry, it's 2 sides. It's called 2 sides. All right. Right, so the end goal is that by the time you finish this exercise, or these exercises, you're supposed to be perspiring, you're supposed to be a little bit breathless. All right, so that's definitely an effective warm-up. I am ready to play right now. Are you? Yeah. Okay, I'm all good now. All right, so this is the warm-up routine that I use. I hope you find it helpful. Be sure to leave a comment on any suggestions on what videos you'd like to watch, and I'll see you again next week. Thanks for staying tuned for this. Thanks for tuning in to this Wednesday's vlog, kind of. And just in case you're wondering, I didn't pre-made this video during that the previous video that was at. I made this like in July. Yeah, so see you guys next week. Let me go and catch my breath, grab a quick drink before I begin. All right, stay tuned guys, bye-bye.